So, welcome to my couch again. We have a kitty and we have a box. So, it's gonna be an unboxing video with a cat. Enjoy! Hey guys, this is the Saigami project and my name is Andrea Otilia Vörös, aka Sunny, creator of the manga series Saigami, published and serialized in Saturday AM, the bi-weekly digital manga anthology. So, I'm gonna open this box and meantime I'm gonna tell you what this is. It's a Simbans, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Simbans PicassoTab. It's a 10-inch Android tab, but it's also a drawing tab. Actually, this is the world's first multi-purpose tab within the $200 USD price range. So it is considered to be a cheaper model than, for example, an iPad or a Surface, but you should be able to use it just like those. Like, it comes with a pen and you can draw on it. So I'm gonna unbox that. I'm gonna leave all of the links to Simbans' site and to Amazon below, so you can check it out if you're interested. I got this copy from the Simbans company. I thank them very much because this is really nice. To be honest, this is going to be my very first tab. I know I'm kind of behind fashion because I do have my smartphone, I do have a laptop, but I never actually had a tablet like this. So, okay, here we go. This is the box. We don't need this anymore. You can play with it, kitty, if you want. And I'm gonna throw this away. Where do I open this? So yeah, Simbans is the company, and this is the PicassoTab tablet and pen combo. And yeah, I have to put it up here, I guess. See, this time I'm more prepared. I have an X-Acto knife to open things with. Yay! Alrighty. So, I still suck with opening boxes though. Okay, this looks neat. So, this is, I suggest, the guidebook. Yeah, this will come handy. I do have a warranty card here. And oh, this is really neat. Actually, when you get this PicassoTab, it comes with a free tablet holder or tablet case. I think it's faux leather. Yeah, I still can't English. And this is pretty nice because, you know, normally when you buy a tab, you have to buy this separately. Oh, this is really neat. I'm really happy with this. Like, you know, it can work as a stand as well if you want to. This is pretty nice, and I really like the red in this. You know, red and black as always a very good combination of colors, so you can go wrong with that. So this looks really nice. And let's see, this will be the tab. Ooh, I like this. This looks really nice. So it's a 10.1-inch screen, and it is an IPS screen based on the description, but I have no idea what that is, but you will be able to find all of the technical details about it. I think it has screen protector on it already. Oh yeah, because you have to pull this off. Alrighty, I'm not gonna do that right now. And yeah, this is the back. It's pretty nice. It's actually very thin. Although, like I said, I don't really have an experience with tablets like this, so I'm not sure if this is thinner than others or not, or this is the average size, but yeah, this is really nice. Alrighty. What's here? I guess this is the pen and nothing else in here. Yeah, this should be the pen. I'm really interested in that. I mean, you know, the best thing in this should be the pen. Oh, yeah, cables. Oops. Okay, careful. Yeah, that's it. So, the first thing that makes me really happy is the adapters. I'm so happy about this, you guys have no idea. If you have seen my previous unboxing video, you know that these are really useful for me because I'm traveling between Hungary and Canada, sometimes the US, and in Europe we do have this sort of power plugs, but in Canada I have to use this. So the fact that I don't have to go out and search for these adapters by myself is such a big help. So oh my god, Simbans, I love you. This is really good. Like I'm sure I'm not the only one who has issues with these, so this will make things so much more easier for me. Okay, this is a cable. It's a USB, and the other one is what goes into the tablet. I have no idea what it's called, but yeah, it's a cable. Kinda seems a little bit short, maybe. Or I'm just used to longer cables. Like, I'm still using those old-fashioned charger with my phone because it's longer. But yeah, I guess this is just the average cable size. Alrighty. And this is the pen. Ooh, heavy. I like that. This is really nice. Actually, it looks a lot like the Surface Pen, even in color, although I think the Surface Pen comes in multiple colors, but I prefer the silver. And it has a nice and heavy feel. Like, this feels heavier than the pen with my XP pen tablet. And for me, that's a good thing because I know it's just my personal preference, but I like when the pen I'm holding or the pencil is a bit heavier. It's not too thick, but I might add a rubber grip to this because I prefer when my pens have a rubber grip or they are a bit thicker. But since this doesn't have any express case here on the side, I can easily add a rubber grip and make it fit my hand better. So this is pretty good. And I do have a battery here, so I guess it works with a battery. I can probably take it apart like this. Yeah. Oh, but it already has a battery inside. How neat is that? Like, it comes with a battery already in the pen, and they are even sending you a replacement battery. Like, that's super nice. Like, it's not like when you buy something and it says battery is not included, so you have to go the extra mile and get the batteries. I know it's not the end of the world, but you know, these are small things that can just make your day. Like, imagine if this wasn't included, like the batteries, I wouldn't be able to use it even though I'm having it here. So yeah, this is a nice thing to have, and this is a nice pen. I like this. Okay, so we have the pen, we have the tablet, we have the tablet holder, we have the power outlets and everything. So this is pretty much the unboxing. It's a really nice thing to have. And this is my very first tab. I'm super happy with this. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna do a review. That could be a new title. So I'm gonna do a review video about using this, because you know, you can draw on this, so this will be really exciting. I can't wait to try it out. You know, I tried an iPad and a Windows Surface before with the pens, so I'm really interested to find out how this works. How can I work with this? Because this can be really useful, so I'm super excited. Once again, this is the Simbans PicassoTab, the 10-inch size, and you can find all of the information and the Amazon link to get this from Simbans. They will get all of this stuff, the tablet holder, the extra batteries, the pen, everything for just $200 USD, which is a really good price. Like, that's pretty cheap. So okay, I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna try it out, and you will be able to see my review pretty soon. Okay, so it figures that you have to charge the tablet before using, or at least that's what the wrapping of the tablet says, that please charge the tablet for at least 5 hours before first use. So I'm gonna do that to make sure I'm doing everything alright. So I I kind of have to do the review later, but meantime I was looking at more the tablet case, and this is awesome. Like, this has a small elastic holder for the pen, so I won't lose the pen. And this is so good because the Surface I could try, it's my boyfriend's Surface, and it also has a case that's also a stand, but it doesn't come with any pen holder. And although the Surface pen is magnetic and you can attach it to the Surface, it's not staying there all of the times. Like, there were times I basically left the pen behind and I had to search for it when I wanted to use it. But with this, you know, you have your pen here. This is so amazing. Like, especially for people like me who are more on the forgetful side. Like, I tend to lose my pens and a lot of stuff. And like this, I can make sure I always have my pens. So yeah, this is really good. So yeah, this is the Simbans tab with a nice holder and a pen. Woohoo! Super good. I'm excited. I like the cat. He's too chill. Like, yeah, that's just him. This is really good. I really like this. So now I'm gonna wait 5 hours till the tablet charges and I will do my review. Wish me luck!